the Google story. Google started off as a startup. A lot of their success they felt owed to their small team structure. And when people worked in these teams, they felt, committed, everyone was involved. But as Google grew much larger, they continued working in teams. But they realized that, now across these thousands of different teams that they have, there are different levels of team performance. Some teams, were performing really well and other teams not so well. So they conducted what ended up becoming a multi-year study with a team of different PhDs in organizational development and psychology to try to understand what were the main factors that allowed some teams to become high performing teams and other teams not to do so well. So they wanted to tease out the factors of high performance. They had theories. They had theories like, if people on a team know each other beforehand, they will do well. If individuals on a team are superstars, that team will do well. None of those theories played out. And eventually, the one criteria that they were statistically able to show correlated with high performing teams is this idea of psychological safety. Google didn't coin the term psychological safety. It comes from research by a Harvard psychologist whose name is Amy Edmondson. Her original research paper you can also download on the web. It was a 40-page research paper she wrote up based on her study in hospitals, actually. But let me share with you the concept of psychological safety in one sentence. Psychological safety describes a team climate characterized by interpersonal trust and mutual respect, in which people are comfortable being themselves. In psychologically safe teams, team members feel accepted and respected.